Good morning and Jai Hind students. So welcome to the class of mathematics, right? So today also we are going to start studying the subtraction, but today we will be doing the borrow of two numbers. So we will be doing regrouping of two numbers. So before that, first let's discuss the homework of yesterday which we had to do, right? So let's discuss the answers and after that we will continue the class. Okay, so let's start the work. So now this was your homework, right students? So please take out your notebooks. Fine, take out fast and just start copying down the numbers or check your answers, right? So now first was 717 minus 117. So if you have got 600 answer, then it is correct. Okay, so just check your answer, everyone. Check it, students. Now second answer, if you have got 318, then it is your correct answer. Please check your answers if you have done correct. And every day you have to complete your homework so that we can discuss and you can see that you have done correct or not. If you have done any mistake, you can correct it right now. Okay. So now after that, third was 658 minus 145. Okay, let's subtract. So we will be getting 513 as an answer. If you have got this answer, then it is correct. Check it. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is 972 minus 451. So if you have got 521 as an answer, then it is correct. So please check your answers, then we will proceed further, students. Done? I hope everybody has done correct, right? So let's move further. Today we have to study the regrouping twice, right? So before that, as we are doing everyday table of 6 and 7, so let's start today's table. Yesterday I have told you that how to read the table. So today how will be reading? 6. 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. Got it? In this way we have to read. So start revising. 6 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. So we have to do up to 60. It's 11 and 12 is also mentioned, but we don't have to do that, right? So now revise the table of 7. Okay. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 7 11s are 77. 7 12s are 84. But it's not required. We have to study up to 10. Okay. So let's do up to 10. Just revise once again. Revise it once again, students, by your own. I hope that you have revised the table. Okay, so now let's move to the today's work. So what you have to do is today, so now today is regrouping twice, right? Today we have to study about regrouping twice. So this is what? Ones column. This is what? Tens column. This is what? Hundreds column, right? So now this is ones column. This is tens column. And this is hundreds column, right? So now what we have to do, now see, is 3 is, can we subtract 3 from 1? No. So now 1 is becoming very sad. It's becoming sad because he can't subtract the 3. So they have to take borrow. Okay. So now 4 is very happy that now 1 is going to take borrow from me. So 4 is happy. So how 4 is looking? Happy. So now what we have to do is, let's take the pen. 4 will give borrow to 1. How much? Now this will become 3 and now this 11, this will be 11. Now this 1 becomes a strong number, right? It becomes a strong number. It's become 11, right? So now it's a strong number. So now what we have to do? We have to subtract 3 from 11. So what we will get? We will get 8. Now again there is 3. Now 3 becomes sad. And now I am not alone. I can't do it. I can't solve this. That it's not possible to subtract 6. So now this 3 becomes sad. And now this 3 becomes happy. So now we have to take borrow from this. So now it becomes 2 and this becomes 13. Now it's a strong number. Now it's easy to subtract, right? So now what we have to do? We have to subtract 6 from 13. So what we will be getting? That is 7, right? So now you can see, as we have deducted 2 numbers, we have taken borrow here and here. This is called twice regrouping. This is twice regrouping, right? As we have taken borrow from tens place and then we have taken borrow from 100 place. So this is regrouping. Now at 100 place there is 2 minus 1. That is 1. So we got 178 as a answer. So if we are writing in words, what we will write? 178. We got the answer. Okay, students. So now we will do the today's class work. Okay, students. This is just for explanation. This you don't have to do. Now all of you take out your notebooks, classwork notebooks. And after that, write down the date. What is date? It's 9/7/2020. Write down. Write down date in your index also. And then write classwork. Then write classwork. And heading is subtract. Write down and then draw a line. Divide your page equally and then here, and then write here number 1, then number 2, then number 3, then number 4. Do it. Use pencil only. Do this much. Now after that, write the first question. Now you can see here, this is the first question. Note down. Note it down. Note down this question. First one, 732 from 846. And then second, then third, then fourth. Note down all the questions. And then we will be solving each and every one. Fast. Note down, students. In your copy, you will write like this. First, you will write the question 732 from 846, and here 435 from 906, then 250 from 900. In first line, you will write the question from 800. Now after that, mention ones, tens, 100 here, here also, everywhere you have to leave one box and then mention it. Okay. Now then write. Now this is very important to understand. You can see here I have written two numbers. Let me change the ink so that you can understand. Okay, now this is what? 732 from 846. Now understand the meaning of from here. Now, what is minuend? I have told you minuend is the bigger number. Now, which is bigger number? 732 or 846? Yes, 846 is the biggest number. So, minuend will be 846, right? So, here it is written, subtract 732 from this. When it is written from, so it means it is stressing on this one. So this will be the minuend and the smaller number will be the subtrahend. Just note it down, students, and don't get confused in this. It's very easy. Here also 435 from 906. When there is from, so this will be minuend. Minus 435. Okay, and you have to leave one place for answer also. Okay, just do it in this way. Note down all the question. The next is 900 and then subtract 250 from this. Okay. Now 191 from 800. So you have to stretch on from 800 minus 191. So written question, everybody? Okay. After doing this, let's solve it. Okay. So let's solve it. So now tell me, 6 minus 2 is 4. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. So what we got the answer? 114. Got it? Now after that, move to the next question. 6 minus 5, we got 1. Now, can we subtract 3 from 0? No, we can't. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 9. So 9 will become 8 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 8 minus 4 will be? Yes, students, tell me. 4. So we got the answer 471. Note it down. Now after that, the third question. Here 0 minus 0. Always remember, whenever we are subtracting 0 from 0, we get 0. Now can we subtract 5 from 0? No. You have to borrow. This will become 8 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. So we got 650 as an answer. Done, students? Question 1, 2 and 3. Now moving towards the question number 4. So 0 minus 1, it's not possible. So we want the number, we want borrow, we have to take. But here also it is 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 8. So 8 will give to 10's place. So it becomes 10 and this becomes 7. Now 10 is a strong number. So now what we have to do? Then this 10 can give to 0 here. So now this becomes 9 and it becomes 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. And this 9 minus 9 is 0. And then 7 minus 1 is 6. So now students, note down the classwork. This is your classwork. Note it down. Then I will give you the homework. You have to note down that also. I am giving you 2 minutes time for noting it down. Note down, students. And please write in a good handwriting and don't use color pencil. If you want to draw the line, there you can use only the line which you are drawing in between, so that you can use from the pencil color, but don't use sketch pen. Only pencil color is allowed to you. So do that. Keep your notebooks neat and clean. Complete this. Hurry up, students. You have to note down homework also. And if your work will be pending, it's okay. We will be sending in the WhatsApp group the classwork and homework. But I won't be sending you the answers of homework, okay, as we are discussing in the video. So you have to check from that. So now, note down the homework. This is your today's homework. Write down the date. Write down the date and write homework. Note it down. The way you have noted down the first question, just note down classwork. In the same way, you have to note down the homework. And students, you have to leave one box over here also, okay? You need one box here. So leave one box here in your maths copy. So that whatever you are taking borrow, you can write there. Right now, just only note down this much. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This question note down, then you can write it afterwards, okay? Just pen down that only. Write down the heading only, okay? So that's all for today, students. You have to complete your homework on time and we will discuss the answer tomorrow. And you can check your answer from there. Okay. So note it down, students, and take care. Be safe. Stay home. Take care, students. Bye. Have a good day.